Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to turn any image into pixel art using Python and OpenCV. The main concepts we'll use in this project are image processing, pixelation, color quantization, k-means clustering, interpolation, and array manipulation. Let's start coding. First, we import the necessary libraries. We use OpenCV to work with images, reading, resizing, displaying, and saving them. NumPy helps us handle the pixel data efficiently. Next, we set some parameters. We define the input image path, the number of blocks we want across the image, and the number of colors we want in the final image. More blocks mean more detail, and fewer colors give that classic pixel art look. We load the image and get its height and width. To create the blocky effect, we shrink the image based on the number of blocks while keeping the aspect ratio intact, so it doesn't get stretched. We use a resizing method that works best for shrinking images. After that, we prepare the image for color reduction. We flatten all the pixels into a list and convert the values to a type that OpenCV's k-means function can process. Then we apply k-means clustering to group similar colors into clusters. Each pixel is replaced with the main color of its cluster, reducing the overall number of colors in the image. Once that's done, we resize the image back to its original size, using a method that keeps the edges sharp, preserving the blocky pixel art appearance. Finally, we display the image in a window and save it to the computer. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the original and pixelated image. You can see how the combination of shrinking, color reduction, and resizing gives a clear blocky pixel art look. A few quick tips. Changing the number of blocks changes the size of each pixel, and adjusting the number of colors affects how simple or colorful the final image looks. You can also try combining this technique with other effects for creative results. And that's it! Now you know how to turn any image into pixel art using Python and OpenCV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments. I'd love to see them.